How to disable skill animations in Grand War 4. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If battle animations in Grand War 4 feels too slow or repetitive, you can usually reduce or skip them to make battle faster and smoother. First of all, launch open the Grand War 4 game on your device and make sure you are in the main menu. From there, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. You'll then come across this tips option where you need to tap on the disable skills animation option and make sure it is checked. Right after you do that, you'll be able to turn off skill animation in Grand War 4. Battles will feel much faster, smoother, and more focused on strategy instead of visuals. So that's how it's done. Now you can tap on save settings at the bottom to save the changes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.